Hello, third grade, Mr. Bray here. I wanted to make a recording of the lesson. So, for the students who are doing this lesson asyncly, you will have me going over the lesson with you. So, let's begin. We have our expectations when we're in class, so always make sure you're listening to your teacher and being respectful. Last class, we talked about what it means to be a good citizen. We mentioned things like cleaning up outside, throwing trash away. We talked about helping others, being a good friend, and then we moved into being a good digital citizen, using chat appropriately, raising our hand before we use the microphone. So things like that help us to be a good citizen and also a good digital citizen. Now, for today's class, we are in our Google Classroom and we're working on an assignment that is titled Google Slide Practice. As you see, there's two slides here. This one will be filled out by you. This one was filled out by me previously. This is an example that I did to show you what it would look like. We're going to start with our first name and last name. We're going to double click here, and then you will put your first and last name in there. This is just to practice typing. You want to use capital letters for your first and your last name. Next, we need to upload pictures. To upload pictures, we will click on the little picture icon and click the drop down. After we click the drop down, we will search the web for the picture we want. In this case, we're starting with favorite color. For our example, I used yellow. I typed in yellow in the search. I chose the yellow square and then chose to insert the yellow square. Once you do that, you can get a picture that's way too big or sometimes way too small than the size you want. If you see where my mouse cursor went, to the top left corner, and you can click and drag, and as you'll see, it will get much smaller. This was my first click and drag. Then I moved it over to the color place, and I just want to stretch it out so I cover as much of the gray box as possible. All right, and then you will do the same for the other 3 or 4 pictures. You will do your animal. You will go back to search the web, and you will do your favorite animal. It doesn't matter, whatever your favorite is. You will do your favorite food, and then your favorite landscape. Your landscape would be something along the lines of beach landscape, mountain landscape, farm landscape, city landscape. You will do the same exact process. Search for it, select what you want, insert, and then resize. All right, good luck with everything. If you have any questions, just reach out via email and I will try to help. Good luck, and I'll see you in class soon. Bye-bye.